Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use camera for keyboard input using UIMenuAction for a text field. Okay, so I have just lost access to my iPad. So what basically I will do is that I have one text field. Okay, and when I click on it, it will show a menu action for me for camera, and if I click on that action I can scan any document which has a phone number field inside it. The camera will automatically detect that phone number field and it will input it inside my text input. I will show you the output so that you can better understand. So this is the document which I will scan. Hopefully you can see my iPad. So here I have one text input for phone number. I will click on it. So as you can see, as soon as I click on it, at the top of our keyboard I have one image for camera. I will click on that. It tells me scan phone number. I'll click on that. So here hopefully you are able to see that it automatically opened a camera for me. I was able to capture the number from that and insert it inside my text field. I didn't have to request any permission. Also I didn't have to write any camera related code. So yeah, let's see how to do this. So first here you can see, as usual, I have created a native iOS application. I am using AppKit, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. Here I have taken this UI text field. Here this is just for NS layout constraints. I have entered some placeholder border style. Now the keyboard type is important because with the help of that, this keyboard type and text content type, the camera knows that what kind of data it needs to capture. So here keyboard type is phone pad and text content type is telephone number. Auto correction again is important. Make sure you keep it as no, and then you here just add phone number text field to overview. Here I have set some NS layout constraints. Here I'm just doing this if our phone number text field can perform this action of capture text from camera. If it if it can't, then just return other. If yes, then we are just doing UI action dot capture text from camera responder phone number text field I have passed. Identifier is nil. Then here I have created this UI menu of text from camera. Then here we have created this UI image which is directly present inside iOS, so we don't have to create our own UI image. Just pass that, and here I have this UI bar button item. Then we create a toolbar as a pass our menu toolbar item. So here you can create multiple UI bar button items. So I have just created one, and then we just do bar dot size to fit, and then we just do phone number text field dot input accessory views passing our bar. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can achieve this. Thank you for watching. Bye.